Patient safety has always been top of mind for Sebastian River Medical Center, and we understand now more than ever. In addition to high-quality, compassionate care, safety is one of the top priorities for the residents on the Treasure Coast. To enhance safety, we have placed the latest sterilization systems in our facility. This system utilizes conveyor belts and cart transport systems during sterilization, minimizing human contact. Staging and storage of instruments are also contained to one area. Another feature we're proud of, which further enhances patient safety, is the TruD Ultraviolet C. This cleaning system, which is used in patient rooms, the ORs, and the ER, uses space-age technology to kill bacteria, spores, and viruses, ensuring an ultra-clean and safe environment for our patients.